Om Shanti. The creator of our solar system is Shiva, the formless one, who resides in the ultimate abode. He is the formless supreme soul, and within him there is the supreme soul and supreme light. He must have thought, I will create a solar system. So he first took a form from the formless, and Shiva then created from within. Through resolve, power was extracted. This Shiva power, in the Ardhanarishwar, half-woman form, created Vishnu through resolve. Vishnu created Lakshmi from within himself. Lakshmi is the combined form of Narayan, with Vishnu having 4 arms. From Vishnu's navel, Brahma emerged. Brahma then created the 7 sages through resolve, which became the 7 stars. And the 7 sages then, through resolve, created the supreme beings who would create. So they first created beings similar to themselves. The bodies of the 7 sages were made of the supreme element and the souls of supreme light. The 7 continued to create, but initially they were large forms of the supreme element. We will call them high quality supreme beings. At that time, Earth did not exist. So there was no need for a pat. Indeed, there was no need for the supreme element to have a body or for a supreme world to exist. Then how was Earth necessary? Everyone thinks that these 7 sages created the universe. But no. When free supreme beings fell, they made many resolves in creation. At that time, the energy of the soul began to dwindle, and they did not need a base. There was no need for Earth. Gradually, those supreme beings who were angels started to become the 3 supreme elements: supreme space, supreme air, and supreme fire. But then gradually, their soul power began to lessen. Hence, the supreme element slowly converted into 3 elements. We and the air and fire became 3 elements, which meant they became deities. Even among those 3 elements, when heaviness emerged, air, space, and fire, the souls began to multiply through resolve, continuously creating. After a long time, Brahma had been around for 10 years. Now, heaviness emerged in the 3 elements, leading them to descend. Heaviness arrived in the space element. The air element became heavy, and so did the fire element. This means the negativity increased among those beings, and the number of souls increased. The power within the souls decreased, causing them to descend further. To stabilize them, a place was needed. Initially, Earth had to be created. Previously, there was not so much heaviness. The 5 elements were light. As the 3 element gods began to fall, a lighter 5 element structure was necessary to stabilize them. Their bodies started to form water and soil lightly. So on Earth, water and soil were light. What was there initially? Initially, the 5 elements of water and soil were light. So when the 3 element beings began to fall, they were counting those falling souls. Then, these were light at that time. Brahma's time had been 10 years after how many years Brahma came to be. The earth was created after those 10 years. Until then, the earth had formed and gradually became heavy. The elements of water and soil became heavy gradually.